If you have to change the EGR valve on your Jeep, it's definitely challenging, but not impossible. To help make the job easier, I made a little tool that may help you too. Because there's no room in there for standard tools for that top bolt, I made one of my own using a 10mm socket and an Allen wrench. To be able to use a pipe lever for tightening if desired, it's necessary for the elbow of the Allen wrench to be as close to the socket as possible and angled toward the opening of the socket. This is the epoxy that I used, and I let it harden for about an hour before I actually put it to use. The tips on other YouTube videos to get that top challenging bolt did not work for me, and so I had to come up with something else. In order to use a ratcheting wrench on it, the transmission fluid filler neck would have to be pried over more than I was comfortable with. But it was definitely handy to use on the lower bolt. One of the most helpful tips for this project that I got from another video was the use of a ratchet strap to pull the filler neck over just enough to get to that top bolt. Thank you for watching and good luck with your project.